Alright, so let's take a look at this compact tactical flashlight from Soonfire. It's made out of aviation aluminum, has a gold-plated spring for the battery. It's rechargeable USB with a max runtime of 500 hours and 1000 lumens. You just twist to activate. It'll remember the last mode that it was in, and it has up to 4 different strengths. It also comes with a tactical strobe mode, and then we'll go to an SOS. It also comes with a carrying case with a convenient Velcro loop for easy application. What's even more impressive, this thing's waterproof up to 2 meters. So just kind of give you an example here of where I'm dunking it in a glass of water. And then from there, you can see it still functions totally normally. No negative impacts whatsoever. Alright, so let's take it out to the golf course. You can see it's dusk here. Look at the distance on this. All the way out to the trees. I'll shine it up. You'll see how bright it is on the palm tree here. You could easily see if there's anything in the palm tree. Gonna walk around. You'll see in the distance there the trees that light up. It's a really powerful beam. This would be great for taking with you hiking, camping, looking for something at night. There's the different levels. That's a maximum. We'll go into strobe mode. Then it'll go to the SOS. Now here's just another perspective where the trees are closer. I do shine up to the trees, and you'll see me pan down. And lastly, I took it in the garage, complete dark, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. It lights the entire garage up. Now it is available for Amazon Prime. Great Father's Day gift. Check it out.